time for examples. All right, so look at this question from WAEC of 2004. It says the temperature of 900 centimeter cube of an ideal gas at a pressure of 114 centimeter mercury is 27 degrees centigrade. So we have to calculate its volume at 76 centimeter mercury and 0 degrees centigrade. Okay. The first thing you need to do is to state out your parameters. What are the values you are given in the question? You are given volume, 900 centimeter cube. So we have, this is our pressure, 114 centimeter mercury. And then this is the temperature, we call it initial temperature. So write out all the values you are given. And please, we use absolute temperature. So convert your temperature in degrees Celsius into temperature in Kelvin by adding 273. Remember that factor, just add 273 to whatever your value you're given in Celsius to give you your value in Kelvin. Okay, now we're looking for the new volume. So you've stated out your P1, V1, T1 over here. So once you state it out, you'll be able to determine or guess whether you're going to use the Charles law. Is it the Charles law, or is it Boyle's law, or is it Gay-Lussac's pressure law? But by the time you have all of this, you can see that they are all changes. We have V1, we're looking for a new volume. We have initial pressure, we're also giving final pressure. We are giving initial temperature, we are also giving final temperature. So you see P, V, T are all involved. So that should mean that we'll have to apply the general or combined gas equation, which is P1 V1 over T1. So slide in the values you have. P1 is 114 centimeter mercury. Okay, so slide in all those values. P1 initial volume, T1, okay, that's initial temperature, final pressure. The new volume we are asked to look for, just leave it as V2, then the final temperature. So you can just make V2 the survey of the formula. That means V2 should remain where it is. 273 just crosses up here. 76 comes down, you know, like you're cross multiplying. So V2 will remain on its own, and then put this into your calculator and you have the final answer. So our final volume, V2, okay, is 1228.5 centimeter cube. So like I said, always ensure your units for the initial and final are uniform. So I didn't bother to change my, over here, I didn't bother to change the centimeter mercury to millimeter mercury because it agrees with the volume. The volume here is in centimeters. Okay, so centimeters, it agrees. So the unit for pressure and the unit for volume have the same centimeters. So I didn't bother to change it. Okay, so if it agrees, say always ensure your units for the initial and final are uniform. Okay.